Welcome to our 2015 Vauxhall Cascada Elite. This car has a 1.6 litre turbo petrol engine which produces 170 brake horsepower and runs at around 39.2 miles to the gallon. This car's only had one previous owner. Will come with a full service history and comes with our Network Q warranty, which is 12 months as standard, includes 12 months roadside assistance and full mileage and HPI checks just for your peace of mind. I'm just going to take a quick walk around the car now, show you some of the features of this Vauxhall Cascada. If you have a look at the car itself, you can see the car is finished in Mercure Red. You do have 20-inch alloy wheels on this car, as you can see. Looking along the bottom of the windows, you do have your chrome trim, and obviously you do have your soft top convertible roof. Moving to the back bumper, you can see the rear parking sensors. They'll really help you into those tight and tricky spaces that you might encounter. Can also show you the boot space for this Cascada. Having a look inside. Moving this out of the way. You can see that you do have quite a generous amount of space back there, and those seats do fold to create any extra room if it's ever necessary for yourself. I'm just going to take you quickly around the inside now, but before I do, another feature of this car is that it will come with 2 working keys, and that's part of the full Network Q preparation of the vehicle. I'm just going to take you quickly around the inside now, show you some more features of this Vauxhall Cascada. Inside the car now with the engine started up, I'm just going to start us off on our centre console. First, if we start down here, you can see that you do have your buttoned parking brake as well as the controls for the roof. I'll demonstrate that at the end of the video with the car with the roof down as well. Moving just past that, you do have your automatic gearbox to go along with that 1.6 litre turbo petrol engine. Moving just past those, you do have your USB and auxiliary input as well as your power outlet. They'll allow you to plug anything in if it's ever necessary for yourself. Moving up a little bit further from those, you do have the dual zone climate control here. That's adjustable by actual temperature to the driver and the passenger's pleasure, so it's very specific to your needs. You can also access the air conditioning via this button just here as well. And this car does also come fitted with our winter pack, which is your front heated seats and your heated steering wheel. So this car is more than capable of keeping you warm through winter and cool through summer as well. If we move up a little bit further, you have the main body of the centre console. These controls will control this screen where you can see you do have your DAB radio stations as well as your AM and FM, so there is plenty of stations to choose from with an improved sound quality. If we go into the settings menu as well, click on phone settings, you can see you can connect your device via Bluetooth. That will allow you to use hands-free, and hands-free is the safest way to make any sort of calls while driving. If we move on to the steering wheel now, on your left hand side you have your cruise control and your speed limiter. They'll help take a little bit of the stress off of yourself for those long journeys. On your right hand side, some controls for the hands-free and the audio there as well. If we move on to the dashboard, the centre of it is electronically lit up. You can see that this goes done 7,681 miles. You do also have your automatic rain sense wipers, automatic lights, electronic wing mirrors and full electronic windows. If we move on to the seats of this Vauxhall Cascada now, fully finished in the black leather, and as I did say, these front 2 are heated. Same design is mirrored in those back 2 seats, and you do have your Isofix tethers down there just to ensure the safety of any passengers travelling in the rear of this car. There's a good amount of leg space back there as well, which ensures comfort. Now I'm just going to demonstrate the roof on this car, as it is a convertible car, so I'll just use the controls down here. If we pull that back, it will put the windows down, and then you can see the roof going back. I'll just get outside of the car now and show you how it looks. Here is the car with the roof down. As you can see, gives it a very, very stylish look. But if you'd like any more information on this car, or you'd like to come and give it a test drive and view it for yourself, just give us a quick visit in our showroom, which is on Savile Street in Sheffield. Thanks for watching.